Well, I just pulled up and parked right here. We are back down at the creek. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Welcome back to Hoosierback Outdoors. This has been, if you like anything and everything to do with the outdoors, especially fishing, then you've come to the right place. Reach down, click on that subscribe button. I left my battery for the big camera at the house on the charger. Totally forgot it. Came down here, got all the way down here before I realized that I left it. So I've got my phone, I've got the chest camera, and we're gonna get down here and try to catch some fish for you out of the creek. I've taken some lures that John from Creek Fishing Adventures sent me, and we've came down here to see if we can catch some fish. Actually, I have this tied on for right now. This is the Rebel Crawl. He didn't send me that, but I already had it tied on, so we're gonna throw it around for a little bit to begin with. And there's a spider crawling. Ugh. Anyway, we're gonna throw it around for a little bit to begin with and see if we can catch something out of here. I've noticed my last couple of videos that the audio on this GoPro isn't the greatest. There's no place for an external microphone, so it's just gonna have to do. So I'm just gonna have to speak louder, because when I get to talking really low and you can't hardly hear me. Well, the creek looks good today. Let's hope the fish are biting as good as the creek looks. I just put some new line on here last night from fishing the other day and dragging the line across those rocks. My line had gotten a little bit frayed. Hey, there's a smallmouth right there. Oh, there's one. There's a fish. Oh, and he came off. What in the world's going on? Here we go again, losing fish. There is 6 hooks there. How did I not catch him? Okay, I think I got the kinks worked out. Oh, there's a nice one. There's a nice one. I slowed it down a little bit. There we go. There we go. Smallmouth. Nice. Barely got the end of it. Nice work. Nice. Look at that little smallmouth. I'll take that. Nice little fish. I think I was reeling it back too quick. Slowed it down a little bit and caught this fella. Nice work. Let's let him go. Got one smallmouth with that Rebel Crawl. Now I've switched to the Helgermite. Now I bit a little bit of it off to make it just a tad shorter and put this ball head jig on it. We're going to throw this around, see if we can get a smallmouth with this. Maybe some rock bass. Rock bass like it too. Already had a fish. This may be the key here today. might be the key here today. Might be the key to getting stuck too. Oh, no, broke it. Well, let's tie another one on, I guess. Oh, my luck. Well, that took 5 minutes of my time that I could have been fishing. I'll try this again. There's some little fish just tearing it up. This may be the key to getting numbers today. Right back in that same spot. Got him. There we go. Looks like a rock bass. Yeah. Look at there. Nice little rock bass on the Helgermite. Sweet niblets. Got him. Another one. Look at there. I bet it's a rock bass. Yep. Nice little rock bass. Boy, he choked that thing. I mean, he choked it. Look at that. There we go. Now we're figuring out something. Little rock bass. Got him. Oh, and he spit it. That was a slow bite. Let's get a better hook set this time. Got him. Oh my goodness. Here we go again. Losing fish. Alright, moving down. A mosquito has bit me on the neck. Look at those deer. They did not know I was here. Scared me as almost as bad as I scared them. That's funny. I'm going to try over that log right there in the water. Try not to get hung up on it. Got him. Now stay on there. That's a rock bass. Nice. Knew there had to be something on the other side of that log. And try not to get hung up on it. Look at there. Little bitty feller. I mean, part of his tail's gone. Turtle must have got a hold of him. There you go, bud. Well, it looks like the Helgermite is working. Haven't caught a smallmouth with it yet, but it seems like this finesse presentation is what they're going for. We're gonna move down the creek a little bit. See if we can catch a couple nice smallmouth down here. That would be nice. That's kind of harder to get over here than I thought it would be. Whew. Fat boy's out of breath. Got him. Got him, got him, got him. Get over that log. Oh, yeah. Yeah. A big old rock bass. Look at that. He was right underneath that stick when I drug it by there. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's a nice one. Wow. Let's see if there's some more. Bunch of sticks in the water over here. Trying not to get hung up. Might be tricky. Got him. Oh, yeah. Another rock bass. Like 2 twitches. And I had him. Yeah. Oh. Well, he released himself. Oh, goodness. That's kind of funny. There's another one in there. Still pretty much shaded over here. Another one. No way. He didn't just hang himself up. Got him. Got him out. Gave him a sore mouth, but I got him out. Get out of the weeds. Well, he came off. Another one released himself. That's okay. Well, the GoPro is flashing low battery and I've caught plenty of fish. Got to get back to the house. If you like what you see here, I'll put 2 more videos up here. Make sure you click on them. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. See you guys later.